Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, it's 4 p.m. here. You see the sun. Yeah, the sunset later is here. This is the sunset here, and the sunrise is here every morning. So this is my chickens of Sir Dexter's Full Chicken. Later at 5 p.m. I'm going to feed them again. So today guys, in this video we're going to cook one of the Filipino traditions. So we will gonna share you the how to cook the Filipino traditional food. This is a mung beans with mung beans soup with vegetables, and then partner it with a dried fish. So come on guys, let's go. So first guys, we will going to get a vegetables for matching in the mung bean soup. So come on, this is the alugbati. We call it alugbati. Come on guys. So this is the alugbati. We call it alugbati. As you see, my mother just throw it a little ones of this before. Yes, she just cutting it here like this one, then just put it directly to the ground. Then it will grow then it will grow fast and multiplying. So this is the alugbati. So this is how we get this alugbati. We need a knife. So this is how we get, guys. Starting here, tying it like this. This gives an additional flavor for the soup. So it's really nice to have, guys. For some of you didn't yet try, you must try this one. So we already have our alugbati. So, and next we're going to get the malunggay. We call it malunggay. So this is the malunggay. So before I was taking some these leaves at this tall, I just bending it. But now there's a new one, a small tree here, so that's why it's easy for us to get. So this is the malunggay, guys. So we have now the alugbati and the malunggay, and next is the kamote. We call it kamote. Come on guys. this is the kamote tops. So guys, we are now we already have the vegetables that we need to put or to mix with the mongo. What we call mongo here. This is the kamote tops, the malunggais, and the alugbati. So let's continue, guys. So first thing to do, guys, is we're going to boil or pre-cook the mongo beans, and we're going to wash first with water. And as you can see, it is green beans here. I prefer to wash totally because, you know, there's some powdered some in it. Now we're going to put it here, and we will wait until it's pre-cooked. So I'm going to cover this, and this time I'm going to feed our dogs here first while we are waiting to pre-cook our mongo beans. So they are so hungry. And now I think it's already pre-cooked. Oh, see, you see this? They're boiling. We're going to check. So I think it's okay. And so now we're going to wash the vegetables that we get earlier. And this is the kamote tab, so we're going to clean this first. We only need this, guys. You see, we're only picking some of the leaves here. You're not getting the stem. Just getting the leaves. And it's also the same thing to do with this alugbati, guys. We're going to wash and we're going to get just the leaves. We're just going to pick this, not the stem. So this is the way we do here, matching the mongos or with the mongo beans. And now it's time for the malunggay. It's also the same thing. We're going to wash and we're going to get only the leaves. So it's the same thing. And this time, guys, we're going to need a tomatoes. So we're going to slice this one. Tomato really need here in the soup, right, guys? And also we need an onion. It helps also to give a good taste, and especially the garlic, guys. I love garlic. All right. Then after we already prepared our ingredients, so we are now proceeding to saute. We're now going to saute these ingredients, and while we are putting some oil here and let it go hot first. Now we're gonna put the garlic first. This is we usually do to saute the garlic first, and just keep stirring until you can see it's brown. Then if you see it's almost brown, you can now put the onions and mix them well. And now it's time to put the tomatoes. So if you see the tomatoes, garlic, and onions are now well cooked. We are now ready to put our pre-cooked Mongo beans that we did earlier. So we just pour it here together with the ingredients. As you see, it's pre-cooked. So look how beautiful it is, guys. Looks yummy. And so we're now mixing it, and after this we are going to add some water if you want to have some soup, or if you don't want, it's okay, it's up to you. And now we're going to cover it and simmer it. And now, as we can see, it's boiling, and this time we're going to season it with salt and pepper. So you can just control the salt and pepper, it's up to you guys. And now we are going to put the vegetables. The healthy vegetables, 3 kinds of vegetables: the kamote tops, the alugbati, and the malunggay. So we usually make this mongo with these vegetables. So it really looks healthy. Not just looks healthy, it's really a healthy food, guys. And now, after we put all the vegetables, we're going to cover it again and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, guys, as you see, it's boiling. As you can see, the vegetables are now also cooked. So I think it is ready for us to taste. So guys, I think it's already cooked. We are done of letting it simmering. So let's going to taste the soup first. Tastes good. Salt is enough, and the pepper, so it's good. We're going to taste the mongo or the mung beans. Yeah, it's well cooked. Right, guys. Now the fried fish, the partner to our mongo soup. So we're going to try this dried fish. We Filipino really love having this dried fish with that mongo soup. So this is we call lupoy. We call it here lupoy. There's so many kinds of dried fish here in the market, and this is one of our favorite. So guys, that was the tutorial of cooking this Mongo with, we call it bilis or dried fish. So this is our Filipino, one of the Filipino traditional food, and one of the Filipino favorite also. So hope you like this video, and hope you having an ideas about Filipino food. So hope to see you in my another video, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more notification for my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. And come on, that's it, guys. Hey, my wife, come here, let's eat. So thank you, guys, and God bless us all. That's it, guys. This is how we eat. Just take. Bye.